Hi, I'm Stu. Welcome back to another LumaFusion video tutorial. I'm currently working on a video and I had screwed up the screen recording file name on this last file here. So I thought it would be good to show you how to recover a file. All you've really got to do is go up to our little circle with the three dots in the top right hand corner and you will find the selected clip in the library. And if the clip's not found, then you navigate through to where you know the clip is. In this case, I've got the clip here, and then you just drag and drop it on top, and you'll see you get the option to replace missing media. And by doing that on the bottom video, the top clip basically sorts itself out. And there you go. So that's just a quick tutorial on how to recover missing video files. If you enjoyed the video today, don't forget to give it a like and share, and I will catch you on the next one. See you later.